What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. If this is your first time to my channel and you guys want to learn how to make fast, easy, cheap, plant-based meals, or you guys want to see vegan food reviews or vegan restaurant reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss a video. Today I'm going to be trying Amy's Meatless Pepperoni Pizza for the first time ever. I've had the veggie one before on my channel. If you guys scroll back a few months, I had 2 Amy's pizzas before, but they were just the veggie ones. I've never seen the Meatless Pepperoni one, but since I went to Whole Foods the other day, I ran into the Meatless Pepperoni one, and it was the first time I've personally seen it. I'm sure it's been around for a while, but I've never seen it, so I thought I would try it and do a little review for you guys. So let's get in the kitchen and make this pizza. All right, guys, check it out. About to try this Amy's vegan meatless pepperoni pizza. Let's see what it looks like. Already opened it, and there it is. There's the vegan meatless pepperoni pizza. Let's check out the instructions on here. Preheat the oven to 425. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes or until crust starts turning brown. It is a gluten-free crust. For anyone who cares about the ingredients, there they are. We know they're not great. There's the macros on it. 930 calories if you eat the whole pizza, but also a whopping 1,970 milligrams of sodium, 11 grams of fiber, 15 grams of protein total. So not even a lot of protein, but I can't wait to dig in, so let's do it. And here's what the pizza looks like outside of the plastic wrapping. Gonna throw it in the oven. Got the oven preheated to 425. It's gonna go in there for about 12 to 15 minutes. About 15 minutes in the oven at 425, and that is what the pizza is looking like. Looks delicious, got a nice brown crust. It is gluten-free. So we'll let this sit and cool for a little bit, and then we'll cut it in about 5 minutes. All right, guys, here we are. Check it out. Amy's pizza, all cut up. Let it cool down, so we're not gonna burn any tongues today. Let's get it. Here we go with that first bite. First impressions, pepperoni's a lot better than the Daya. That's the only other pepperoni one I've had, so that's the only one I can really compare it to, but much better. So Daya, step your game up. Amy's, good job. That pepperoni is good. Show you guys what it looks like. It's a lot thicker than Daya's too. I don't know if it's focusing. Is it focusing? I don't want to look away from you. Is it focusing? That's what it looks like. Good. All right, time for my thoughts about the pizza. Amy's pizza did a great job. Really good, tasty pizza. A lot better than Daya's. Like I said before, I do prefer the Amy's ones. I think they're a lot better in terms of ingredients. And just overall, that pepperoni is much better than Daya's. So definitely recommend trying Amy's pizza. They also have a veggie one that's just veggies and I think vegan cheese. That one is really good as well. That's the one I had in my previous video. If you guys want to search back on the channel, you'll see it there. It's a one where I ate 2 Amy's pizzas in one sitting, I believe, which was crazy. I think over like 4,000 milligrams of sodium, which is a big no-no. But all in all, this meatless pepperoni pizza is good. And that's the last time I did have Amy's, just to let you guys know. So it was a while ago. If you look at when that video was, I think it was at least 3 months ago. So it was a while back, but Amy's meatless pepperoni pizza, great job. If you guys like these kind of review videos where I go and like get one food and just like review it, nice quick videos, and let me know what other products you guys want me to review, any other products. When I'm walking through the grocery store, I obviously can't buy everything, but if you guys want to give me a few suggestions of things to try and I will give you my opinion on it, I would love to do that. So let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.